what have we got here, bud? Look at all this stuff from Korea.
So these are all the N Performance Alcantara parts from Hyundai Mobis in Korea. I'm not sure if they're ever going to sell these in the US, but for now you can only buy them over there. So we had a good friend send these over. Got the Alcantara steering wheel, shift knob and shift boot, the armrest. I don't know why I bought this. It only has Alcantara right here, but you got to go full send. Unfortunately, we have to replace the entire handbrake for that.
He definitely went all out here getting all this stuff. Also, at some point, you're gonna get the Alcantara seats, maybe.
I want to so badly.
Yeah.
They're not that bad of a price, and if a 2019 or 2020 owner wanted to buy these seats off me, I have no problem with that. Just getting them here is gonna be a little tough, but
Yeah, you heard it here. Anybody looking for 20 or brand new seats with the light up end in it, Nate's got a set for you. So this is not gonna be an easy install. This is probably gonna take us many hours.
mainly because of this.
Yeah.
So
yeah, that's gonna suck.
Yeah, like these, minus the steering wheel, are a pretty quick swap. The steering wheel, you do have to take the airbag out, but this thing we have to take the entire front console, like center console rather, not front console,
Whole thing
apart. So
that's not gonna be fun. It's really gonna be worth it though, because like as you can see right now, the interior of the car. So with the US seats, these are all cloth in the middle, and with the Korean seats, these are all Alcantara. So that's what he wants to get right there. And the center console or armrest thing is like a fake leather. It's like a squishy kind of plastic thing. And then here's your squishy plastic e-brake, and then your leather boot and leather wrap over that shift knob there. And of course the wheel is really nice, but it is leather, it's not Alcantara. So he got everything that can replace all of that in the super nice soft Alcantara. And it's name brand, it's not like crappy like secondhand
China
Alcantara
or something.
Yeah.
Should we do the easiest thing first?
Yes, please. Let's just start with as
so
many things.
We can have a success right off the bat.
Yeah, so we can feel good, and then by the time we get to the handbrake, you know, all of our success will go down. All the good feelings will go away.
First. We'll do the wheel last.
Yeah, the wheel is going to be really weird to do.
Yeah.
So
it's not the hardest. It's just like you have to turn the steering wheel to get the airbag out. It's going to be a whole thing.
Yeah, and you know what really sucks about this wheel versus Nate's wheel that we have in the US market Veloster ends is that, see this little thing right here? Can you take a guess as to what that is? It's a heated steering wheel. With this, in the Korean ones, that is for your heated steering wheel attachment.
They have a little button to press.
Where's the button, Kia? Oh, God.
Where's the button, Kia?
Where's the button, Hyundai? Why can't Nate warm his hands if he feels like it?
So we're going to drive around with cold hands, but at least we'll have cold hands in style.
Yeah, boom. Worth it. Let's go. Well, this looks like it's already stupid challenging, because if you can see here, we've got this bolt, or this little screw right here. And basically we can't get a screwdriver on that. So when we said that we wanted to do the easiest thing first, that's definitely not easy, but we're trying our best to get it off. Nate's looking for a couple tools that might be thinner, or like a thinner screwdriver, so we can maybe kind of hit the angle a little better, but at the moment it's not really looking too great. Did you find the magic tool yet that's gonna fix all our problems?
No.
At least you guys are seeing this video, so that means that we completed it. So if you're using this for an install for yourself, you're welcome. You don't have to go through all the crappy stuff. We've resulted to just absolutely tearing this thing apart. We opened up this little panel down here, and Nate picked it open with one of these little pick tools. Super helpful. Once you remove the little panel in there, you get access to the bolts underneath that you need to remove just to take out this entire thing. So
I just want to get an idea of what's under here. And
whoa, dude, that moves it a lot. Oh no, dude, that has to be just the bolts to remove the whole thing. That might help. All right, so you guys are about to get learned, because I could have sworn that this had the entire assembly on it, and it does. This is the screw that we're fighting right here. Oh, I almost peeled your sticker off. But I didn't though, I swear. That right there, that little screw, that's the thing that we're fighting with right there. But this entire assembly is what comes with this new piece here. So really we do have to take the entire thing off. That's what we're doing. That's what we gotta do, man. Sometimes you just gotta tear crap apart to learn how it works. So what this looks like is we can't just start with whatever part we want to start with. It looks like everything kind of comes off in sequence. We're gonna have to start up at the front to take this off so that we can get this off so that we can get that off. Oh, there you go.
So now I'm gonna not put my foot on the brake, but put the car in accessory mode with the key. So no foot on the brake, accessory mode. We have the handbrake up, so the car's not gonna roll. And then foot on the brake, put that into neutral, and we're gonna turn it off.
Okay.
For this, there's no like clips or necessarily anything holding this in from what I can tell. I think you just have to depress this and pull straight up pretty hard.
Hey, look at that. You did it.
Yep.
All right, sweet. Well, I guess we should, are we leaving this out though?
Yeah, we're gonna leave this out for the time being.
Okay, yeah, because we need to pull all of this up too and get the entire center out, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Shift knob is definitely the easiest.
There you go.
Yeah. There we go. This is still feeling a bit weird up here.
There you go.
Oh, there. I wonder if we can just take it off like with enough space right now. Like this. Oh, it's still, yeah, there's some clips up here. That's why.
Okay, all right, we yanked it out. There was a clip holding it in, just one really stubborn one.
See this big wiring harness? Yeah. Here, just press the clip in the middle of it. And clear it out. There we go. So that is the whole center console removed.
There's this clip here on that side. Do you have a clip, a circle clip?
I have a screw and a circle clip. This car's like 1,000 miles on it, and we're just like...
Insert into side panel.
Just to confirm.
Shut up.
I'd like to call limo driver.
No, don't call the limo driver. What are you doing?
I didn't get that.
Shut up, Siri. God, I'm gonna throw you out a window. God damn it. All right. That's a funny story. I actually had a limo driver when we had prom in my senior year of high school. We actually, a bunch of friends and I took a limo, and that would have just called the driver.
He's like, hey man, what's up?
Hey, long time no see. Yeah, no. All right, my whole piece is
undone. Yeah.
Yeah.
It's stuck on.
There we go. Ah, center console, dude. Check it.
I don't have the microphone attached to the camera.
Whole entire center console. You wanna see what's in there? Whoa. Here, I'll hand it to you. Yep.
Oh, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. All right, this
Dude, rally car. Look at. We should just leave it off. It looks sick.
Moral of the story here is if you don't really like Alcantara, like, don't do this. This fucking sucks.
But it's sick, so if you don't like Alcantara, I don't know what's wrong with you, but you should probably go see a doctor.
Alright. That's out.
There you go. Clips are scary because they sound like you're breaking it, but really you're not. Everything's fine. There you go. Oh, yeah, dude. If you don't like this, I don't know what's wrong with you.
This install is not for the faint of heart. If you're like, I don't know, I kind of want a couple interior pieces.
Just do the shift knob.
Just
do the steering
yeah.
wheel. Honestly, the steering wheel is really hard too, but those are the two like main things that are worth it. This is extra.
These are
but
the
it's
two
worth
things
it.
where I was like, you know what? I'm not gonna get them. I'm not gonna do it, and then I
here
bought
we
them.
are.
Yep. Get these started. I just want to line the top ones up first. Alright. Yep, that's good. That's good.
Alright.
So now it just needs the two little screws. This takes a lot of patience. Like, that's the biggest thing with interior is not even like how difficult it is to do physically. It's just patience. Like, oh, it's this clip. Oh no, it's that screw, or it wasn't that screw. It just takes forever.
Yeah, and if you have patience, then you can put Alcantara parts on your car. Or honestly, really you could do whatever you want to your car, because we just wrapped the roof of my car and legit it looks pretty decent.
And it looks like we're gonna have to remove this small bridge first, which is for 10 millimeters, and then we can get to the 12 millimeters on here. Somebody needs to make like magnetic sockets.
I think that's a thing.
Alright, so now that we have those 4 out, we're going to put those safely off to the side and remove this, which gives you access to both the parking brake lines. I will take that. If you're doing this in a manual, make sure it's in gear. Obviously, this is an e-brake, so don't mess with this unless you know what you're doing. Like
That's funny. Because we don't know what we're doing. We're professional learners. You just give them you have to kind of curl it forward. It's like a bike brake. There you go.
Yep. So now, this can come out.
Ooh. Alright, and now the new one will go in.
Done. Just doesn't have to be too tight. They weren't very tight from the factory. Just enough to not rip your handbrake out of the floor. We're gonna set that fully down and plug in our cables back here. That feels really solid.
Oh yeah, because they said you wanted about 5 or 7 clicks, right?
4, 5, 6, 7 is full tightness.
That is absolutely tight. All right, cool.
So now it's important that you plug this back in. This is a little ground switch for the parking brake sensor. It just clips in like that, and that'll tell your car if the parking brake's on or off. So now we just put the little bridge here, and I have no idea what this is. This looks like a Hall effect sensor, so as that gets closer to it, it knows where it is positionally.
I don't know what that means. He says words, and that just go right over my head. I don't know what the hell that kind of sensor is. If anybody even knows what that means, put it in the comments. I need me some knowledge. Drop some knowledge in the comments, please.
So again, not super tight on these. Alright, so that's all good. So now we just have to plug in our last little clip right here. And
sweet, there's your new handbrake.
Yeah, the old Yeet Brake 9000 is ready to go.
Here.
Okay.
Oh dude, that's nice. Oh yeah, that's official Korea sticker. That tells you that your parts are legit.
Alright, so that's in. So it doesn't have to be too tight.
Oh dude, yeah, no, there's no way.
What is this?
I think you were the right way.
Yeah?
Yeah. Oh wait, no, this side, this goes towards you. Like this.
Yeah, there we go. Wow, that was like
I like Jenga.
that was like a brain fart moment. I was
Wait,
like
Jenga? I mean
Jenga.
Tetris.
Jenga. Alright, Ben, do the honors. Grab the old. Nope.
This thing feels even cooler than your handbrake.
Yeah.
This is so sweet.
The perforated Alcantara is like
I've never seen that before. Perforated
That's the first
Alcantara.
time I've seen it.
You can see the bottom there. Just want to do a slider on. Oh, nice. Yep, that works. I'm just gonna feel out clips. Oh yeah, dude. That's
I know a couple people asked about doing just this, like just for the automatic, and this is
Yeah.
probably the easiest thing that you can do out of all these.
This is so sick, dude. Oh my god, look at all the Alcantara pieces in your car. And then we're not even done with the biggest thing yet. Isn't that sweet?
Dude, just feeling this too.
Oh
like,
my god, dude. What a freaking mod.
Yeah.
Look at that. Dude, that...
when
premium.
I ordered these, they were like, do you just want the boot and not the top knob? And I was like,
Nah, do
no.
the whole thing, man.
This. No warnings.
Yeah, no warnings. Looks like, alright, we're in park and the brake is on. This was going to be the end of the video, but now I'm going to take you along with me on this stupid little journey. So I was about to go to the gym, and my car decided to just not start and not work and start freaking out. Cool, well, I'm about to go spend a lot of money that I didn't want to spend right now. That is purely a safety precaution.